Hello, welcome back to Mrs. Torres' YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about what's called a logarithm. So a logarithm is another way of writing exponents. So whenever you think about logarithm, think exponents. Logarithms answer the question, how many of one number multiplies together to make another number? So let's look at an example so it'll make a little more sense. So we know that 2 raised to the 4th power is 16. So we know that 2 to the 4th equals 16. We can type that in our calculator, we know that. Suppose someone asked you, 2 raised to what power gives you 16? So 2 to what power equals 16? A logarithm answers that question, and we can write an equation using log. So we abbreviate logarithm with log, and this little 2 down here, that's our base. So we would read this log base 2 of 16 equals 4. So whatever is down here, that's our base. And when we were talking exponents here, of course, 2 is our base. So the answer to a log is the exponent. Because remember, it answers the question, 2 raised to which power gives you 16? That answer is 4, because 2 to the 4th equals 16. So when we are talking about logarithms, we're going to kind of be going between exponential equation and the logarithm equation. So exponential equation is what we were writing up here. So if we have b to the x equals a. So b is our base, and x, of course, is our exponent. If we were to take this same equation and put it in a logarithmic equation, we would write it like this. Log base b. So remember up here we had base 2. So base b will look like that, of a equals x. So these two equations are essentially the same thing. B is our base, x is our exponent. This time, our exponent is just our answer, right? So the answer to a logarithmic equation is that exponent. So let's rewrite a few of these into log form. I'll do the first ones together, and then you can go ahead and pause the video and try to do the other ones yourself. So when we're writing it in log form, we're always going to start log, and then we need our base. The base in this equation is 3, so log base 3 of 9 equals 2. So that means 3 squared gives you 9. Remember, your answer is that exponent. Here we're rewriting logs into exponential form. So log base 7 of 49 equals 2. So our base is 7. Our exponent is 2, and 7 squared gives us 49. All right, go ahead and pause the video and try these other 4 problems. All right, welcome back. So 5 cubed equals 125. So that means log base 5 of 125 equals 3. Number 3, we've got log base c, that's our base this time, of d equals e. So it doesn't matter if we've got variables, numbers, same rules apply here. Down here we're going to exponential form. So our base is 3. Our exponent in this case is x equals 81. And then we can actually take this one step further. 3 to what power equals 81? Well, we know that 3 squared is 9. 3 cubed is going to be 27. If we've got one more 3, we'll get 81. So that means x is 4. So 3 to the 4th is equal to 81. And we know that's true. All right, last one. So x is our base. 7 is our exponent. So x to the 7th equals y. So that's just kind of going back and forth between logs and exponents. And it's just really important to remember that when you're dealing with logs, it's really asking about exponents. So we'll be able to use this to solve equations where the variables are in the exponent. All right, if you